Welcome to this Invest in I tutorial on driving competitiveness through lean thinking. It'll take around 10 minutes to complete and includes tips and useful exercises to help introduce lean thinking principles into your business processes. The tutorial is broken up into 5 short sections which you can complete at your own pace.
So what is lean thinking? Well, simply put, the core idea is to maximise customer value whilst minimising waste. Lean means creating more value for customers whilst using fewer resources.
A lean organisation understands customer value and focuses its key processes to continuously maximise it. The ultimate goal is to provide maximum value to the customer through a perfect value creation process that has zero waste.
A popular misconception is that lean is suited only for manufacturing, but that's not the case. Lean applies in every business and every process. It's not a tactic or a cost reduction programme, but a way of thinking and acting for an entire organisation. The term lean was first coined during the late 1980s to describe the practice pioneered by the Toyota production system, a system steeped in the philosophy of the complete elimination of all waste. At its most basic, Toyota's just-in-time system makes the vehicles ordered by its customers in the quickest and most efficient way in order to deliver them as quickly as possible. This system of just-in-time has also been called the supermarket method because it's widely believed former Toyota Vice President Taiichi Ohno borrowed the idea and applied it to the factory after observing the process in American supermarkets. Ohno observed that supermarkets only stock the items needed by its customers when they're needed and in the quantity needed. When a customer takes the goods off the shelf for purchase, the store restocks the shelf with just enough new product to replenish the shelf space. Putting it into practice, Toyota developed a process of making only what's needed, when it's needed, and in the amount needed, thereby delivering its vehicles to customers as quickly and efficiently as possible. This is how they created flow.
Of course, it's easy to look at the Toyota production system and just see low inventory levels as a key outcome. In fact, even though the system has been widely copied both inside and outside of Japan, many businesses simply set out to reduce high inventory levels without understanding the importance of the philosophy behind it, working intelligently to eliminate all forms of waste. Often the act of imitating without understanding leads to failure and increases the misconception that lean thinking is only suited for manufacturing. As we'll discover in the coming sections, the benefits of lean actually spread much further than that. Current applications can be found in support and administration functions, as well as service, IT and public sectors.